Today, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your password using the Quickpass self-serve web app. Whether your password has expired, you've received an account lockout notification, or you simply need to update it, we'll walk you through each step to help you resolve this issue quickly and securely. First, go to the self-serve web app login page using the appropriate link. If you received an alert via text about your password expiring or your account being locked, the text will include the link to the web app. Enter the email address associated with your Quickpass account and click Get Started. The app will display the last 4 digits of the mobile number linked to your account. Click Send to receive a temporary passphrase code via text. Copy and paste the code or type it into the Enter Temporary Passphrase code box. Then click Verify. Click Reset Password to proceed. Enter your new password in the Enter the New Password box. Then click Change Password. Your password will be changed immediately and a confirmation screen will appear. You will now be able to log into your computer using the updated password. Resetting your password in Quickpass is a simple process that ensures your account stays secure and accessible. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at Connecting Point. We're here to support you whenever you need us.